Hi, and welcome to CampaignTrackly. My name is Melina, and today I'm going to talk to you about team permissions. I'm going to show you in a quick and easy way how you can simplify the workspace of your team members so that they can see less distractions and less clutter and can enjoy their work environment in CampaignTrackly. How are we going to do that? As you can see, as an admin here, I have access to a lot of menus which are needed so that I can set up effectively the entire account. However, team members don't necessarily need to see all of these extra menus. And today I'm going to show you how you can simplify their experience by hiding those menus. For example, here is our demo team. It has 3 team members. Every team member has team level and individual member permissions. For example, user demo 1 has the following permissions. They can create and edit campaigns, they can view them and archive them, and they can also import, export tags, hide, unhide them, and favorite them, but they don't really have any admin privileges. So they don't really need to see all of these menus on the left-hand side. In this tutorial, I will show you how to simplify your team member user experiences with just a few clicks. But before that, let's go and see how the actual user is experiencing their workspace. Here is the team page of this user. As you can see, they don't have any admin privileges. They also cannot see any other team. And when they click on their own permission privileges, they can see that they can create, edit, view, and archive campaigns, import, export, hide, and unhide tags. And that's pretty much it. So since they're only going to be focused on creating UTM links and managing tags, they don't really need to have access to all of these menus. That is why today I'm going to show you how you can hide those. Let's click on team permissions. Specifically, you can see that this page is dedicated to the demo team permissions. On the right-hand side, I'm going to hide some of those menus like URL settings, URL building, integrations, reports. Try the Excel builder as well. I'm going to also remove campaign category from the actual UTM builder dashboards to make it even simpler for users. On the left-hand side, I can also manage additional permissions for the entire team, such as ability to delete tags, to delete campaigns, or even create new tags. All of this can be accomplished in a couple of seconds in one place, and all I need to do is hit save, and my changes will propagate to all the team members of the entire team. Let's see now what happens with this same user from the demo team. What changed is after I refreshed, I can see that there are far less menu items on the left, instantly creating a cleaner environment, less clutter, and less distractions. Still, the user is able to see tutorials and docs, they have the login logout link, but you can significantly simplify their experience with just a few clicks. And hopefully today my video was useful and helped you find out how you can make it easier and simpler for your users to use CampaignTrackly. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.